feel shit again. So I thought to abuse your viewership to feel a little better. So here's something. Yeah, my personal homepage number 2. I use it all the time, so it's here. I have this problem. I thought to use this trick. I don't know if you can see it. Like this. No. Control X. Control equals. Control G. I'm new to Emacs. I'm just jealous of that Coding Daily YouTube channel. If you look up Coding Daily, I'm not sure you'll find that person because they replaced the capital C in coding with a TypeScript. If you know, you know. Anyway, so I have some CSS selectors for this thing, and the problem is that nice, sane web browsers serve this biography.html. It has like both Greek and English because it can't quite understand the CSS that tells it if there is a parent element with the attribute lang. Okay, let me show you how it works. Where is it? Here it is. Language equals English. That's oh yeah. Scheme equals dark. Whoever inside has language equals en will stay there. Whoever has lang equals gr goes away. Whoever has scheme equals light, it works in a slightly different way. CSS. Now here you go. See that? Simple, very simple, but ew. Uh-oh. Keep on clicking the wrong things. By the way, I wonder how many of these links would link to something that... not bad, not bad. So, it seems like... Oh, that's much better than mine. This is actually readable. Why are the 3 spaces on... What is this? What's going on? Anyway. So I was thinking I would want to make my website like compatible with the oldest sort of browsers and definitely with Emacs. I want to be able to view it in Emacs and then progressively make it get better. So I was thinking of replacing this old system. Where is it? BioArts with PHP tags, and the basic idea is simple. PHP if lang equals English, I guess print out a comment. I'm not sure if that's the smartest way to do it. Okay, I'm about 4 minutes in now. This would keep it so that I serve what I wrote, more or less, and it just gets comments. Then the more sane way would be echo, and then it echoes this thing, but now I need to quote it. I need to quote... Oh! No! What am I pressing? I don't know. So I thought we'd try it out. After all, the underlying PHP code, it just imports everything. Where is it? Import? No, it's called include. I wrote it by just... Oh. Yeah, it includes everything. It takes each and every one of these and includes it. And prints a comment that explains what got included. I want to go as close as possible to the original. 5 minutes have passed. Let me like keep track of what I'm doing. I don't want this video to be too long. So the first thing I would wanna do is try it out at all, hack it in a little, and see what methods make sense, because the biggest problem is gonna come in big paragraphs that share links between the two languages, because links, href, that's a bit of a pain. Uh-oh. Okay. So, do I have... I don't hear, but... No. Where do I have it? Somewhere where I was talking about... Oh, yeah. High school. By the way, if the text is very cringe, yeah, I agree. Here you see it's outside both of the spans. English, Greek, and like poses in a kind of weird phrase. Just go on and say the links, no matter what languages, and then say "and" in both languages. Okay, this I'm gonna try to apply the trick here. Do I wanna Git branch? I don't know. How's Git doing? Nothing. By the way, I like it split. Maybe not for the sake of this video. Let's see. So I want a global PHP variable, and I want to make the things go away. Where is the PHP variable gonna be set now? Interesting. It needs to, I would like it to be passed in, so I want the outsider to set it. Let's see. I guess then I'm gonna have it capital. Let's pretend that the outsider does set it. Let's just pretend. Now this isn't a PHP file, this is an HTML file, so it's gonna look ugly. Also, it's not gonna be an HTML file anymore. I'll pretend it is. I guess I could do this. Oops. And then go like... Oh man, I love this. Okay, let's try that. It doesn't indent properly, which makes enough sense. Goodness gracious Lord, I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's try that one and see what sort of code gets out of it. Make, I guess that's gonna make it, yeah. Ah, it updated both. Not because I touched the other one, yeah. It doesn't actually look for changes. My time is about up. Serve this, biography. And let's take a look. I'm gonna search for the phrase it winning. There we are. Good. Good. Right, so I can hack my way into this thing now. Echo, I know you can do this. End of file. End of file. Oh, it hates me. Also, this isn't PHP. This file doesn't count as PHP. Emacs is gonna hate me. And let's see. Okay. Let me set it here. Lang, I guess I can, the next step is gonna be to set it outside. Lang equals Greek, no, English, so you can read it too. Here's what the actual final code may look like. Lang equals English. Actually, if it's Greek, and then else. else. That's 10 minutes for us. I won't go much beyond that, I guess. Is that how you do it? Emacs is kind of odd, but also the least dumb piece of software I've ever seen, because for some reason, here's the thing. Every text editor is crazy, except Emacs. So now you have this dilemma. Do you take the Lisp interpreter? Or do you get stuck with bad text editors? Which is like, why is this even a thing? Why do I have such a dilemma? I don't get it. If it's Greek, then say this thing. Now I'm gonna duplicate the paragraph this way, yeah. But it doesn't matter. I don't see how this would break these href things, because I would just echo them. And I hope it's gonna be just that simple. Though, maybe I would like, maybe I would like Greek case, and that to be a function that goes this way. Yeah, that's probably it. So the Greek case is a string that's gonna point to a function defined by the caller. Okay. So it's a global string that does polymorphism. That's probably what I'm going with. So then I can change what Greek case means, and either it prints these spans or it like comments stuff out for you. Interesting. I guess that's what I'm doing. Okay, shall I try this thing out before I leave? Let's try this thing out. I'm sure I'm gonna reach 15 minutes, which is kind of disgusting, because duh. And alright, let me compile this thing, make. Alright, let me visit serve this, yeah. Let me control X, XG. Yes! Now I would like the comments to actually say that there was PHP, like I was here. At least. Bare minimum. I guess that's it. Shall I serve the PHP? Like someone who's curious just downloads everything and finds the PHP. I wish people could just download a web page and reserve it. But then I guess I'll have to serve the text something external or as XML, like I tried once. XML with custom markups for Greek and English exclusive text. I could do that. I'm not sure I want to do that, but I could do it. It's not a half bad idea. It's not half bad, so long as the XML is simple. Man. Yeah, and then you like you serve the XML, and you also serve the JavaScript. It's gonna parse it. Oh no, that's not like sending the simplest website and then letting it progressively get features as the browser can support more stuff. Because I want to be able to show it in EWW, so I'm probably stuck with this way of doing things. Well, I'm gonna serve a link to the GitHub. Screw that.